This video is a brief overview on how to install the Tuff Country leveling kit for the 2016 Toyota Tundra 4x4. The particular part number for this kit is 52070. Get the truck safely in the air and remove the front tires. Remove the factory skid plate to get the front differential mounting bolts and remove them. Put the differential spacers in the gap with newly provided bolts. Loosen all 4 cam bolts. Undo the sway bar end links and lower strut bolts. Now disconnect the lower control arm. Move on to the upper shock mounting bolts. Remove them and drop the shock out. Using a wall-mounted strut compressor, install the Tuff Country strut spacer. Before putting the shock back into place, place a new stud in position. Now install the shock back into place. Reattach the lower shock mount to the lower control arm. Reattach the lower control arms, and once you finish up both sides, reattach the sway bar end links and remount the tires, and you're ready to go. We highly recommend an alignment after the install. Tuff Country, the originator, not the imitator. Proudly made in the USA for the past 25 years.